An old discharging battery is not only an inconvenience, but it can also lead to problems down the road. Recharging it is a temporary fix and just prolongs the inevitable. All vehicles require a new battery every few years, so it's important to have yours checked routinely. A new battery will provide more power to your engine, igniting the starter and stabilizing the electrical support. Whether you need to test your current battery or buy a new one, let our experienced, factory-trained and certified technicians recommend the right battery for your vehicle and to install it safely and properly. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.